Welcome to 83 Sunset Ridge Boulevard, located in the Sonoma Heights area. This house is now ready to go live on the market. The main feature of this house, it's coming pre-owned certified. What does that mean? This house has gone through a full pre-home inspection. We have the report, which is clean. All major and minor repairs have already been fixed and remedied with inside the house. The house is also going to come with a 12-month warranty up to $15,000 in coverage, covering all your appliances, covering any major components, the electrical, the plumbing, everything's been checked with inside this house. Don't wait, it won't last long, it's gonna sell fast. Give me a call, but let's go inside, take a tour of this property, you're gonna love it. Are you looking for a home in this difficult market and you're looking for a peace of mind? Then this house is the right house for you. Don't wait, DM me, give me a call. We'd be glad to give you more information.